Sadharan Naomi Sarvan, myself, Professor Anil Pratap Giri, serving as a professor in the Department of Sanskrit, University of Allahabad. I am the youngest professor of the University of Allahabad. At the age of 37, I got the professor cadre post through direct recruitment. I have 15 years of teaching and research experience as a permanent faculty member in 3 central universities of India. I served as an assistant professor from 2010 to 2019 in the Department of Sanskrit, Pondicherry Central University, Puducherry. I also served as an associate professor in the Department of Sanskrit, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar from 2019 to 2022. From the 2022 till now, I have been serving as a professor in the Department of Sanskrit, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj. I completed my undergraduate studies from the University of Allahabad and MA, MPhil and PhD from the School of Sanskrit and Indic Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. I am the first scholar from the School of Sanskrit and Indic Studies to be appointed as a permanent faculty in the departmental post at a central university in 2010. I also served as an honorable member of the Sanskrit Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi. The Department of Sanskrit, University of Allahabad is the glorified department. It has 150 years of its illustrious academic journey. The Department of Sanskrit is the second largest department of modern Sanskrit studies across the India. I am the second senior most faculty member of the department. I have published 10 books and 80 research articles on various challenging topics of the Sanskrit studies. I have supervised 6 PhD scholars, 1 MPhil candidate. I have also successfully completed 2 major research projects. Out of them, one is the International Collaborative Project, which is funded by Ministry of Education, Government of India under the Spark scheme. I am the principal investigator of the manuscript-based research project, which has been funded by Central Sanskrit University, New Delhi. I have been awarded the Best Teacher Award, UGC Research Award and INSPA Ratna Award. 4 patents have been published and granted in my name. Those patents are related to the Sanskrit studies and computational linguistics. Out of the 4 patents, 1 patent is the design patent. I have also delivered 200 plus lectures in various international conferences, seminars, symposiums organized by different universities and colleges of the across India.